So here's my first look at the Nadex, a platform solely for US citizens. I use the UK version of this platform called IG, and they have given me a sneak peek under the hood. As you can see, I've opened a demo account and have placed a trade which is currently making me $38.75. The position value is 1,278 if we finish here in the next 5 hours and 20 minutes. The Nadex is a regulated US exchange designated by the CFTC, which is the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, and is legally permitted to accept US residents as members. So why is the Nadex different? Well, basically, the Nadex is based in the US. It's subject to regulatory oversight by the CFTC, pursuant to its registration as a designated contract market, or a DCM, commonly known as an exchange, and derivatives clearing organization, or the DCO, or clearinghouse. As a registered exchange and clearinghouse, Nadex is subject to the CFTC regulations acceptable to its operations. A few of these important regulatory principles include serving the function of matching buyers and sellers of a contract in an unbiased manner. Unlike the online platforms, Nadex does not profit from gains or losses on a trade. Rather, it simply receives a fully disclosed exchange fee, providing a transparent environment for the settlement of accounts, including time and sales data. Another thing they have to do is keeping member funds in a segregated bank account in the United States. These regulatory principles are meant to safeguard traders and their funds and are a key component to Nadex operations. If you are in US resident trading binary options with an offshore broker, perhaps you should ask your broker whether they comply with these principles. If they don't, it's illegal. But anyway, back to the review. So what can you trade at the Nadex? So we have the indices, binaries, the indices spreads, forex binaries, forex spreads, commodities binaries, commodities spreads, 20-minute binaries, event binaries, Bitcoin binaries, underlying indicatives, and 5-minute binaries. So you get a lot of options to trade here with the Nadex. But what I really like about the Nadex platform is their charting functionality and the ability to manipulate the chart to place your trends. So let me just make this a little bit bigger so you can see the graph clearer. So as simple as pull it out, it resizes and then changes the pixels to make it a little bit nicer. So I'm currently looking at the daily chart, and I've drawn a line where there was resistance, and I've seen over the last 2 days there's been a steady downtrend on the China 50. So I've placed a put trade in the direction, hoping that the trend will continue. So I only put that on maybe about an hour ago, and it's already generated. Oh, we're just kind of breaking even, but we are going to get some down. It was up, it's up and down, it's bouncing. But we are going to get this downtrend coming here. But we'll see how this trade ends up at the end of this video. Let's go through what else we can do on the platform. So as you can see, we've got all the forex pairs here. You could decide to trade the Euro JPY right now. You just open this little chart feature, click on it, and the chart opens. You get lots of options in terms of how you want to view the chart, whether it be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour. We look at the 1 hour chart. Here we can see where the option will expire. And then you have your technical analysis. You have all the technical analysis tools, Bollinger Bands, MACDs, moving averages, momentum, standard deviation, volume charts. So any type of technical analysis that you're used to doing when you're trading is available within these charts. You also have the ability, as I showed you before, to draw on a chart, gain lines, horizontal, point to point, write text on your charts, arrows, Fibonacci lines. So it's all here in terms of what you'd ever need in your charting software. And the look and feel of the chart is really nice and user-friendly and easy to use. Let's have a look at some of the other functions at the top. So we have the Finder, where you can, which is over here, where you can find different pairs to trade or commodities, depending on what you like to trade. You can look at your watch list and your open positions. This table is fully customizable, so you can move them about in whichever you want to sort them, save them in different areas, how you like to see your graphs and your open positions, and you can save your layouts over here. And that's simply the first look at the Nadex platform. As you can see, my trade is now going into the plus at $23. Going to close out this trade so you can see what it looks like to close the trade. So I bought 15 units. I sold 15 units. I need to buy back the units at the new price at $15.25. Place my order, goes into the queue, my position closes, and increases my balance. Thanks for watching, and if you want to try out the Nadex platform, you can click the link below. You can open an account with Nadex in less than 5 minutes. It's free to open and there's no obligation to trade. When you're ready to start trading, you need to make just a minimal initial deposit of at least $100. After your first deposit, there is no minimum deposit amount, but your account must have enough in to cover the maximum potential loss you could incur on an open position. If you're from the UK and you're watching this video and you like the look and feel of this platform, it is available in the UK in a different format. You can access the IG platform from the link in the description below. Thanks for listening. I'm Malachi Kelly. See you on the next video.